So the whole idea about transformational leader is that you go from being a transactional leader and hopefully end up being a transformational one. So the question is, well, what's a transactional one? Well, a transaction is basically, I will pay you to do something. So I pay you to do something. I pay you to work, is the whole idea of a transactional leader. So you put in the effort as the worker and you will get reward. That's kind of what happens. So basically it uses self-interest. It uses the employee's self-interest to get the work done. So a transformational leader, though, they're different. They don't pay you to work as such. It's not built on just that. They try and get you to think of the bigger picture. Don't just think of the cash rewards now. Think of the bigger picture. Think beyond your immediate self-interest. So think beyond basically wages. Go to a higher goal. And those higher goals could be self-achievement, creating something worthwhile, okay, wanting to do something not for reward, but for the pleasure in doing it, the satisfaction that it brings. We're not saying these people don't get paid, but they're not doing it just for payment. You've transformed them. Now, to do that, you are going to need a lot of charisma, and you're also going to need a lot of authority if people are going to be allow themselves to be transformed in such a way.